video. I am Samina. Today we paint the beautiful Nobita. This beautiful color used in the Nobita. Red color. Skin color. Wow! Yellow color. Blue color in Nobita knicker. Now we paint the shoes. Brown color. I like the Doraemon. I like the Doraemon. I like the Doraemon. I like the Doraemon. I like the Nobita. I like the Nobita. I like the Shizuka. I like the Sonyo. I like the Jian. I like the Doraemon. Wow, kids, our beautiful Nobita is ready. Subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.